Vihaan back with another video. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how I solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I will be teaching you step by step. So guys, you should bring white in an L shape from a scrambled cube. Something like this. See guys? There should be a white here, white here, white here. It doesn't matter if there is any color here. Okay guys. So next, it's time to solve the whole white layer. So the algorithm is R prime, D prime and R. If it has white hasn't come to you guys, you have to just repeat it again and again until the white is fully solved. So guys, now you should solve the first layer with the white on the top. If you guys have any colors like already in the first layer, just be in the opposite and follow this algorithm. But if you have none, you guys have to do the same algorithm twice or one. But if you already have all the first layer solved, then you guys have to wait. So now I'm going to show you the algorithm. So I already have a blue here. So I have to just face the opposite side and do this algorithm, which is R prime, D prime, R, L, D, L prime, R, D prime and R. So guys, so far we have solved the white layer and the first layer. So now let's solve the yellow layer, which is rightly opposite to the white layer. So now keep the white in the bottom and now we have to solve the yellow layer. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So now there is a yellow corner. Bring it into the left bottom corner. So again, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So again, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So now the yellow layer is solved. So now check if there is any matches. I know I don't have any matches. So keep the yellow in the top and the white in the bottom. So now let me show you. It goes R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R2 and B2 and R2. So now I have a match here. So now go in the opposite side of the match and do the same thing and again. So now R prime, F, R prime, U2, R, F prime, R2, B2, then R2. So now it has been solved. See this? Red, white, orange, yellow, green, blue. So guys, I hope you guys have learned how to solve an 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Till we meet in the next video, bye bye and stay safe.